you know?
What happened with what?
Hey, and we're live. What happened with this price action? This huge green candle that I'm staring at here. At
Who knows?
405.
Somebody probably opened their mouth about something.
Let me see. 541. Deal with Iran could be 5 days or sooner.
Yeah, I'll believe it when I see it.
Yeah.
Deal with Iran. Who knows? Maybe. Here's hoping.
Well, this is so weird because yesterday we were on the stream and we were talking like with the chat, and we're like, how come oil seems so flat today? Like, it's not going down, it's not going up, it's just kind of flat. And gold was going down. So then we were like, maybe the war is ending. Or the news that the war is going to end or something.
Yeah, I mean, there can be news about the war ending, but that doesn't mean that it's going to. Half the news that's coming out of the White House is complete and total bullshit. But if you look at the Army canceling their 21-day training stuff for I forgot what it's called, JRPM training, I think it's called. Last time that never gets canceled. The last time it got canceled was right before we went into Iraq. Airborne getting their orders, 82nd Airborne getting their orders to prepare for deploy. Yeah, I mean, it's not ending.
Mm-hmm. Hey, morning, Darren. Morning, Kaylin. You went crazy last night during Asia session. Hopefully that in a good way.
Oof.
Yeah, in a good way. Nice. Good job. Trump tweet. Yeah.
Watch out for those.
Yeah, it's barcoding right now. I can't trade today on 2 of my accounts or I will blow the consistency rule. Hey, that's a good problem.
Yeah. Oh no, heaven forbid. That's a good problem to have. Map is still talking to me over here, telling me how much
yeah, it's been
new trades are happening. So many
buying and selling balls here showing up on the chart, on the book there.
There's a bunch of them. But it is 9:35 and there's no reason to get into anything right now. Unless you just want to treat the open like it's a roulette wheel.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it all
I had a game last night, so that's why we're a few minutes late to get the stream going here. Struggling to wake up this morning.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, we got a lot of orders on ES up above the current price. It doesn't look like there's too many algos. That orders at 6,800, 606, 617 orders up at 6,800.
Hey, there's Lilish Borker. Good morning. What up, Lilish? I'll take it. I gave back some to the market on Friday after revenge trading. Still a green week. All right. Well, identify the issue and try not to repeat it. Right?
You know, that's a thought. You could do something like that if you wanted to.
What was the trigger, Kaylin? What did you you ended up taking a couple losses in a row or something, or?
Remember back when ES hit like 7,000 and
Yeah.
everything seemed like it was in an uptrend?
Yes, I do. Oh, is the 4-6s in play today? What the heck?
I think it might be.
I think we tapped it at some point. Not long ago. 4-6s incoming. Oh, you were close to hitting a payout on your 2 Ignite accounts, and then that kind of I know it is tough when you get that close. You got to keep pretending like it's still a couple thousand away, you know, working on those base hits. It's easier said than done.
Yeah, the 4-6s was at the 9 EMA.
Angia, good morning. Ten of 13 green days out of 2 weeks. Kind of spiraled on Friday. Okay. Yeah, well, good job overall. So, yes, sir. Let's have a good start to the week.
Excuse me.
Oh, you're making me yawn, Nick. No.
Sorry. It's contagious. I'm just sitting here watching this low volume nonsense going on.
Kind of forming the bull flag at the moment. It could be a channel, but it looks like a flag. Yes, sir. Move forward. Small base hits.
Iran state media says zero contact with the U.S. despite Trump's tweet. Ain't that a shocker? A lie coming out of the White House? No, never.
Let's hope that Iran's lying.
Remember way back when we could trust that Iran was definitely lying? They said something about the president being full of shit. We could pretty much go, oh yeah, they're lying.
Yeah.
Now, who knows? We got oil down at 89.66 a barrel. Not expecting that to stay down for very long.
Yeah. Well, let's see how this plays out. Be careful, guys, because Trump seems like Trump is talking at the moment on something, because it says Trump on Iran. We'll see where the talks lead, and then we had strong talks, and Iran needs better public relations people. We have major points of agreement, discussions on Sunday into the evening. They want to make a deal. We want to make a deal too. So I don't know. Just keep an eye out, because obviously the talking head is talking. Hey, grab some water 1 sec.
Do it. All right, NQ just ate up a bunch of orders at 38, but the price did not move.
Vigo Forsberg. Yo, how's it going? You're a brand new viewer and apparently first liker on the stream. Hey, thanks, Vigo. Appreciate that. Did I just hear somebody slam a guitar? No, that was probably me putting my my cup down on the coaster.
Hey, Dave, just so you're aware, there were a bunch of orders on NQ at, I believe it was 38. They got eaten up, and it was above the previous price. They got eaten up. There was no price movement, so I'm just going to start looking at shorts on NQ here.
Okay. Yeah, I kind of see that. There's like a green buy ball, and then we just instantly started rolling over.
If that's there were over 100 orders that were sitting on that, but a lot of the time when they eat up orders like that and there's no price movement, it's if the price or if the orders are above and there's no movement, no follow through, it's a sign for a reversal or a move in the opposite direction at least.
Yeah, because I see 245 contracts at 24,548 and then 129 at 24,559. So huge pressure there.
There's the two things are
slamming it.
The two things I'm looking at today mainly, three things: VWAP obviously, but volume for direction and volatility for speed of movement. we'll see what happens after Trump gets done running his lie hole.
Yeah, he's still eye-rolling right now, so
we'll see if there's any more movement after that. But I'm not getting into anything until we get some sort of closure with his talking.
He said, I hope to settle this. Talk to the top leaders. The U.S. talked to Iranian top respected leader. Have not heard from Ayatollah's son, the supreme leader. We are looking for no nuclear weapons, peace in the Middle East. If this deal happens, it's a great start for Iran and great for the region. We want no enrichment. We also want the enriched uranium. What? The 200 billion military fund would be nice to have. I don't know what he's referring to, but
requesting $200 billion for this war in Iran.
Oh.
TSA is now being replaced by ICE agents in airports, and
I heard that. Yeah, that's crazy.
we can fund a $200 billion more for a war across the ocean, but for some reason we can't deal with healthcare, or housing people, or anything domestic, because that's just unheard of. That you're a fucking communist if you want to do something like that.
And it says Israel will be very happy with what we have on Iran, and we can't guarantee a deal. That's probably the only true thing he said so far.
Can't guarantee a deal. No shit. And I'm real concerned about what Israel's going to be happy with.
Vigo said, it's going well. I'm green so far today. Thought I'd pop in here and check it out, what you guys are up to after I received a tip from a friend. Nice.
A tip from a friend?
Who's your friend that tipped you towards us?
All right, now we're starting to get a little bit more movement above the opening range high. Still not a whole hell of a lot of volume, so I'm gonna go grab.
Angie, nice. Thanks, Angie. I want to have as much oil in the system as possible. Oh, coffee's ready. Rhetorical question. Do you guys think you can trade off of Trump's hand gestures? Like an orchestra, right?
Yeah, he's like a catcher in baseball, sending signals to all his little cronies. Buy right now. I'm about to say something to make the market go up.
It's got like a secret BlackBerry message group.
All right, we're getting a little bit more volume up above on NQ right now.
Yeah. We have previous day high up at 24,663.
I just took a 1 micro long on NQ. I'm going to keep it real small while this press conference is going on.
I too am in at a 3 micro long here though. Stops already in profit. I'm up about 105 or so. It's funny. I think we got in at the same time there. We just ate those orders at 24,600.
I'm up quite a bit, so I'm putting another order on.
Stalling out here at the 600s. Thanks to Nick, I missed that big move up earlier. He told me I had to take a shower before turning on my charts.
There'll be another one.
Don't pull back anymore, guys. Don't. Damn it, man. Stopped out. Profit. Tiny profit.
Yeah, I'm still holding it.
My X isn't showing up for some reason.
Why? Has your ex been like showing up at your house or something?
Yeah, I don't know what the heck's going on. Why the heck?
And I'm out.
Nice. Or, well, I don't know.
No, not nice.
Hopefully
That was a loser.
My apologies then.
It happens.
Okay, well, I am live, so on X, it's just not showing up on. Laugh at us. Where is she? She usually starts banging on my window by this time. My ex isn't showing up either. I hope she doesn't. Wait, why is my car mirrors fine today? Vigo's a pretty funny guy. It seems. Maybe it's going to be one of those chop days here.
Yeah.
U.S. Energy Secretary Wright, Iran is a conflict we couldn't kick down the road. Markets do what markets do. Prices have not yet risen enough to drive demand destruction.
Wow. That's what they're going with?
The U.S. wants to get oil into Asian refineries, and have as little downturn as possible.
Cool. Sounds great.
Trump on our end, they have no telecommunications, so imagine they have a lack of communication. That's what nonstop partying for a year does to a man, Beagle. I said you're a funny guy, and that's your response. Bond market is the problem, though. Hey, Darren. Bond market is working against us right now. Bonds above 5% and US JPY close to 160 are big problems. Looks like Randy's in a long on ES.
Yeah, I just got into a long on ES at 54.8150. See if this one bites me in the ass as well.
54.81.
I'm sorry, on NQ.
Okay.
Not ES.
I was like, huh? I'm like, did you go back in time?
I did. I went so far back in time. I'll hold this contract until I'm a billionaire.
Depictors of near on market stress point. Gotcha. Coming from the economic person from UK, the economist. Dow's pushing up, ES pushing up, NQ pushing up a little bit here. Careful the 10 a.m. candle coming here. $481 is H4 heading to H5, 24,795. $481. Looks like we held that 481 level pretty nicely.
Can you hear my book map talking to me over there?
Nope.
Turn the volume down on it. I'm sure you it would get annoying very quickly. Buy settlement 840. Buy settlement.
Vigo said, does Bookmap have some type of large trade finder, or you use time and sales? So if you customize the little balls, like typically there's going to be a whole bunch of little balls that show up on the chart, and those are like buyers and sellers. As you can see right there, there's a green ball and we got a little red ball there. So if you customize it, you can track when orders above a certain amount come, and that's kind of what we did here. So as you can see, like these ones were, this was 109 sell orders, and this one was 114 buy orders. So that's kind of how we do it. So Vigo, yeah, you're right. I probably would have been short, says Tim.
And there's also, yeah, there is a large order tracker on Bookmap
Oh, nice.
as well. You can go into their into the settings and set up a large order tracker.
I'll be back 1 second. Sorry.
I took $50 on that NQ trade, so.
Looks like your long's working out a bit here.
It did. I just closed it.
Nice. Tim Korth, it's the NQ curse. That's nice. I always really liked Bookmap, but haven't really used it that much. Yeah, it's definitely a good tool. Too broke for that at the moment, so I had to create my own version on Ninja Trader. Works well, but I want to see how it differs. Yeah, fair enough. And any extra insight into the market, it's definitely good. Definitely good.
U.S. January construction spending down by 0.3% month over month. They were expecting a positive 3. Or I'm sorry, 0.3.
Yeah, and they got a negative point.
Yeah, I'm not. The trend on ES is definitely up. I want to see a little bit more of a pullback toward VWAP.
We're getting that right now, it looks like.
Gets down into the 60s, I'm going to start looking at longs. There aren't a whole hell of a lot of orders on the book underneath us. No real algo orders. There's 625 orders. It's 6,800. This might be one of those days where I have to trade off the deviation bands back toward VWAP.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. Almost touched VWAP.
Vigo said, yeah, it helps a lot. Amazing tool to find either absorption or potential squeeze entries / stop losses. For sure, yep. You went in short 582.75, Keith? 582. Nice. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Did find some support there at the that VWAP.
Found a little support. There's orders. There's hundreds of orders up above us.
Yeah, 24, 637, 650. Just hit a 4 contract micro for 220. Very nice. Good job, Kaylin. Nice way to wrap it up there.
Wow.
Wicked out for $15. Hey. Your long limit just got missed. Oh, Darren's tried to get a long.
My ES long got picked up.
Very nice.
Not really. I'm down $20 on it right now, so.
Oh. You're tempted for long as well. It's been working so well historically.
All right, Trump postpones strikes on Iran power plants. That's.
They have agreed to no nuclear weapons.
Do you think that news would lift the market a little bit?
Trying to, anyways. With all his tweets here. You've watched so many live streams because it gets lonely. You guys are the only sane channel. Appreciate that. It's a compliment.
Yeah, it's boring as shit. Two old guys trying to make money. Added one contract to that ES long.
Yeah, I'm in an NQ long also. Jeez. And then it just pulls right back almost to my entry there. What a bastard. Keep going here for once. Just a bit.
Yeah, I'm thinking this is going to pull up a little bit here shortly. There's a lot of orders at 6,800.
just got that 600 level sort of in the way at the moment for NQ, 24,600. Can't seem to break that level though. Lots of selling pressure there at 600.
Yeah, ES is having trouble getting up past 85.
Come on, take the 600 here.
Right now, it's having trouble getting up past 80. Come on, move it for me.
Got a couple points over 600 there, and then still lots of sellers right there, seems like. There we go. Come on. I got my TP up at 630. Oh, nice little bounce there.
ES just broke above the 80 level.
And bring my stop up to 600.
On the 5, we had a little double top about 15 minutes ago. So hoping it'll stay up or get up above that and stay. If it does, I'll just set my stop loss and profit and go grab myself another coffee. Couldn't do it.
Yeah. Blank Johnson said it was doing the same thing last night, tried to go up and struggled and dipped hard. Yeah, if the sellers end up taking control.
Will be the end of the world. I think buyers and sellers are fighting for control right now.
Yeah.
We're above that that double top again. Now, if this 5-minute candle closes up above there, I'm just going to leave it maybe for the rest of the day. Yeah, that's what I wanted you to do. Keep going. All right, Dave, is this going to be a day where I have to be excessively patient or just kind of patient?
Seems like excessively patient.
Not good at that.
Got those orders up at 37, 38, and 50. 24, 6, 38, and 26. 24, 650. Sorry, I can't talk.
All right, you don't need to. We understand you. You take the marbles out of your mouth, Dave.
Yeah, are those buyers running out of steam here or what? Let's go. Give Unc Nick a big BC.
Big BC.
Yeah. Boner candle.
I'll take it. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Dave. You said it, and it started popping up. ES is getting sprung, yo. Yeah, I said it. I'm sorry.
Nice. 642.
I'm not asking for much, just like 100 points on ES.
Yeah, no
That's
big
all I
deal.
want.
Just blast off here. Just
Yeah.
blast off. 663 is a previous day high.
Added one contract to this trade. We got a bunch more buyers coming in up above 6,700 again.
Lilish, red rocket, countdown liftoff.
No, green rocket. Green rocket.
Yeah, true.
I'm going to start looking for possible pullbacks around 697 on ES. Up 130 on this trade so far.
Very nice. So those orders at 40 are gone. So we got the orders at 50. Just above. Come on, buyers. Keep us going. Keep us going. You moved your stop loss to 625. Up. TP is up at 780, 784. Gotcha.
Could this be the BC candle or the BC?
Could be. Hey, Vigo. So where do you live then, Vigo?
You don't have to say. I mean, in case you have any stalkers or anything, or.
Vigo said NQ needs to get long and hard. Sweden. Nice. That's awesome.
Sweden?
Sweden.
I like Sweden. All right, this 3 micro ES long is up $197 right now, so
Beautiful.
pretty stoked about that.
Yeah.
Like I said, though, I'm looking for that pull, waiting for a possible pullback at 97. $67.94. Added one more contract to this.
Added to that right at previous day high. Nice. Stop loss moved to 651.
Is it going to do it? Come on, blast off. Yes, push through it. All right.
Moving the stop up.
You asking or telling me?
I'm asking, yeah.
I haven't moved it up yet. There's the 6,700. That's a psychological level with the round numbers. If it pulls back off of that, I'm cutting this for a couple $100 bucks at least. Ooh, is it going to push through? Come on, stop teasing me now. There are a lot more orders up above current price than there are underneath.
Yeah, we got them at 87 and 24,700 above on NQ.
Yeah, we got orders up at 67.12 on ES, 67.25, 30, 50. Couple orders came on underneath the current price, but back at that 97 level. Now, is this a temporary short pullback?
Or is attempting to get it back up?
It is making an attempt. Sitting right at that previous 5-minute candle closure.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's like buyers want to take control. And they're just getting punched in the face a little bit.
Yeah.
Orders are picking up on the tape a little bit. This is testing my patience.
Yeah. Bigger pullback here.
Same thing on ES. but we still got 2 minutes left on this candle. The orders just came off underneath, so
Wow, big pullback here.
I just close that out for a $50 winner.
Can't really keep holding on to it, eh?
There's no point.
Not looking that promising.
There'll be another entry. Did create a higher low and then now a higher high on the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
And that's from the pre-market.
Done for the day, off to work. Crazy day to bounce back from Friday. My Ignite accounts are Lucid and Lucid Eval. Have a good one. Nice. All right, Kaylin.
Have a lovely day. Staying out of this bunch of garbage.
Initial balance just set.
Like ES is getting a decent pullback here.
Now sellers are trying to take control here, but looks like the buyers are currently trying to hold it here up at the 24,620 area. But
the highest volume node for the past 8 hours is at 66.74 on ES. Start looking at longs again in the 70s.
yeah,
Can't take a short right now, though. It's been in an uptrend for
if
the
this
entire
candle flipped green, then that would be a good signal for an entry.
Oh, excuse me.
Going to the gym. All right, Vigo. Good. See you later. Thanks for tuning in today. Nice to meet you. Sweden.
Vigo sounds like the name of a guy who's on his way to the gym.
Yeah.
My name is Vigo. I am on my way to the gym.
I lift heavy weights.
Hey, there's a little bounce on ES.
Mm-hmm.
See if this does what I think it's going to do. Start pulling up. I was looking at a 2-minute chart there, so
UK
I think I
Prime
might just have to.
Darmer questioned video coming up. There you go, climbing a bit here. 660 would be a pretty key level here for NQ. Still got those orders up at 87 and 700.
ES to hold above 66.90, or to get up there and hold. It's toying with 90. It's just tickling it.
Mm-hmm. Same with those 60s. Kind of like getting up there, but not really. All right, Vigo, see ya.
Today is testing my damn patience.
Yeah.
There we go, 66.90. Now push through it and get above the initial balance.
That'd be beautiful.
I wouldn't be unhappy about that. I've only got 1 micro in this, so
Small risk. Heavy weights. LOL. Right, Kaylin?
oh, come on now.
Womp, womp, womp. Doesn't want to go.
Go figure, I'm out of coffee again.
Figures.
Why is there no price movement here?
A bit of a weird spot in this price action right now, seems like. Bearish kind of like overall high time frame, but a bullish pop today. So we're kind of a bit of indecision zone here, it seems like. Trump's True Social post about Iran ceasefire and negotiations seem to have come 20 minutes after S&P price jump. Huh. What a coincidence, hey?
Ain't that a shocker? You see that bullshit where he, for a fundraiser, was trying to get people to sign up and give him money so they could get on his national security briefings. You get unfiltered national security briefings directly from me.
Wow, really?
What? Jim Bob in the trailer park right now is knows more about what's going on in Iran than some of the generals do.
How much money was he asking for that? $20.
Who knows?
Yeah, and it's a mail order thing, so you gotta like wait for the mail to get delivered. Bit of a delay on that chart. No, I haven't heard from Johan. I was going to message her this morning, actually. Thanks for reminding me, Tim.
That's who we're missing this morning.
Well, ever since her mom was sick there. So NQ is sort of pulling back here, just breaking through the 9 EMA and into a bullish fair value gap at 24,594.
As you say that, ES is getting a little bit of a lift here. Just pushed above 66.85.
NQ a little bit also, not much, but 10 points or something.
Oh, ES is just toying with this current price.
Not tradable. Yeah. Price is not really cooperating. We've been bearish here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 or 5 minute candles here. So about 20 minutes straight. Been pulling back.
Looks like gold's dropping again. Wow. U.S. Energy Secretary Wright, Q&A, CNBC, will learn through dialogue with Iran who real leaders are. USA always open to talks. I thought there were talks already happening. Now they're open to talks? Cool.
Bit of confusion there.
There's always a bit of confusion.
They're not sure what they're doing.
You say they're not sure what they're doing?
Yeah.
That's pretty obvious. All right, today's going to be a micro scalping day. Moving this down to the 1 minute chart.
See if they can't push past the 60s here again. If we get above previous day high, we can definitely say longs are still heavily in play here. Stalling out at 24,640 at the moment. That's only 20 points, NQ. It's a little sneeze for you.
That's nothing.
2 minutes left on this candle here.
And long ES. And and out. There we go. Take $100 on that one.
Nice, 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 nice.
Just trading 8 micros.
Okay. Yeah, you can make some money pretty quick like that. A 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle here.
And hit
This is a
another
messed
long
up
on
tape.
ES.
$30 on this 5-minute candle here. Hopefully they can push it back up to the top of the candle for a closure. That'd be good for your trade there, and also good for us possibly getting back to the previous day high. Initial balance is what, 689? Oof, very nasty turnaround there.
Not happy with it. Just got into an ES long at 82.75. I'm going to put in my stop loss at break even plus costs and commissions. And go grab some more coffee.
Nice. And hopefully when you come back, you're looking at a nice big winner.
I'm hoping. I'm not
that hopeful.
Yeah, I'm skeptical about pretty much everything today.
Still got those orders up at 650 on the upside there. 97 contracts. Nice CVDs climbing here as buyers stepping in. CVD went up really nicely there, actually. See if they're going to flip this candle green. We got a minute, almost 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle here. Come on, previous day high. Let's go. 660s. U.S. Energy Secretary writes ends interview on CNBC. They need to go push it up here and get above the 650, and then 660 is above that. Pretty key levels here. We got a 5-minute bullish fair value gap here that's sort of been holding, holding the market up at the moment. But I'd like to see us get above, at least above 660, 650, 660 area to try to get some continuation on the longs if they're going to work here. Need the buyers step back in here for a bit. Due for a little push on the green from the buyers here.
Oh, come on. Well, I made $70 on that.
Well, hey, nice.
It went up. It came back down. It stopped me out.
Damn. Why can't it just go up here? Be nice to see the longs come in back into fruition here. Kind of at a pretty key level here. Just above the VWAP, in a bullish fair value gap.
Still above VWAP. Let's look at the
orders at 650, 675, 700 above, a little bit below.
Actually going to get rid of some noise on my chart here.
On the book map or something else?
No, on my chart. I just changed it over to session or to regular trading hours.
Oh, yeah. So we got about 11 people watching this morning. 6 in YouTube and 5 in X.
The highest volume traded is at on ES is at 687.75.
Haven't seen Wayne in a while. I wonder how he's doing. And not that much of Keith either. I saw him last night, I think, briefly. Finding some resistance here at the 20s on the bullish side.
Yeah, we're showing a little resistance at the 90 level on ES. Got really low volume at 93.25. Deviation band sitting it up at 67.0350 for the first one.
Time for me to get some coffee, I think.
Just took an ES long at 89.50.
So we got the orders at 50 here piled up. There's about 102 there. And then above that, yeah.
Right now I'm in an ES long at 89.50. Waiting for a Randy B candle.
Gonna try to take those orders at 50 here. There we go. Took the orders at 50. Come on, Randy B candle. Let's go. Keep going, Randy B. Randy Bonanza.
See how it reacts to 6,700 again.
Yeah.
All right, push through it a little bit. Can it hold?
Nicely above previous day high here now. So now I'll be, I guess, kind of looking for a pullback potentially for long.
I'm still in this long right now. Looking for one more little push up through 67.10, hopefully. Crossing my fingers.
Let's
Smoking
go.
some hopium.
Smoking opium.
Opium.
That's what we love. It works. Just kidding. Not financial advice. But it's like I said, when it's okay to smoke the opium when it's in profit.
Yeah.
Right? But when it's when you're down, down, the opium is not something you should be smoking, and that didn't work.
Absolutely not. All right. Well, it's looking like buyers are still trying to stay in control here.
Yeah.
67.05 is looking like it's going to get taken.
Yeah, it was quite the candle there. NQ's candle was 78 points there. Jeez, man. 78 points in one candle. Savage, man. That 5-minute bullish fair value gap was definitely the line in the sand, right along with the overnight or the New York VWAP there. Sometimes when I move my charts around, it like minimizes every window that's open.
That's weird.
Yeah, and then I gotta
And
like go
also
back
a pain in the ass.
yeah, I gotta scroll back through and click every one of them, make them all active again.
Yeah, stop toying with my emotions and just jump up. Just added one micro to this.
Oh, you like that little pullback there? Well, I wish you well, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I mean, with that kind of a pop, like, you got to think that the market's sort of bullish, at least gonna retest these, like the pop high anyways. NQ is up at 24,764, and ES, oh, crazy, we had a naked point of control on ES at 67.32. That pop went all the way to 67.32 and then rejected. I went a little bit above it, but interesting that naked point of control is no longer a naked point of control. Take that guy off. NQ also has one up at 24,902. Looks like they want to still take it higher for sure. Obviously not for sure, but
yeah, well, it's for sure that it looks that way.
Yeah, it definitely looks that way at the moment. Like, no orders below on the book, relatively close to price here, and a bunch at 24,687, 24,700, 24,750 above.
It's looking the same way on ES right now. Added one more contract to this already.
I just entered on a long here on the NQ. Hoping that we're gonna take those 80s out here pretty soon. Yeah, broke through the 80s. Let's see us 85, 87, I think is the next roadblock. Ooh, some low volatility here at this price. I got a pretty tight stop on this one. I'm not looking to risk too much here. But if we can get that break above 82.
Got my my stop loss and profit. I'm in with 5 micros now with the add-ins. Still willing to hold this for a little bit.
Pretty big battle currently. I'm seeing the price whipping around back and forth here.
Just a little bit of bounce on ES. A little bit of bouncing. It's like you drop one of those rubber balls that you got out of a gum machine at the grocery store.
Yeah. So I got my TPU. I got one contract at 24,695, which is like sort of just a quick sweep of the recent high wick, and then I'll go break even on the remaining contract. See if we can't leave a runner here. Oh, might get a stop out here. My stop's pretty tight. It's pulling back. 665. Yeah, I stopped. Just not gonna sit through a big long pullback here if it does pull back. So
Bookmap is talking to me over here, telling me about the buy orders that are happening on ES. So I was about to cut it.
gotcha.
We just had
It figures too. It like the low was literally like right at my stop so far.
That's why I like having the Bookmap up.
Yeah, I don't really have there's nothing below saying where the stop should go.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
I mean, if I was in an earlier entry, then I definitely would have been giving it some more space, but my entry was pretty high there, so had to have a tight stop, or else it's just not worth the risk, right?
True that.
Late to the party.
Hey, but the party's still going.
Yeah.
As long as the party is still going, it's okay to be a little late. Oh, that 6,700 level is really pissing me off right now.
Yeah, good thing I got out there, because this would have been sort of twice as much of a drawdown anyways. But doesn't mean the bullish trend's over. Like, we're still looking pretty strong. Are they going to go back and try to test those 87s, 88 area? It's not that clear.
Nothing's clear right now.
Yeah.
Slow movement. We're dicking around with 6 micros.
So I'm up 321 in my Top Step X account, but I'm down $50 in my Top One futures.
All right. How do you feel about that?
I'm okay. I mean, I only have this week to try to get this eval pass before I gotta pay the monthly subscription for that. What's it called?
Take profit or Top One?
Yeah, Top Step X. So I'm kind of feeling a little bit of pressure on that one now, because I'm at 5,628, and you got to get it to 9,000. So I need a couple, like a nice couple $1,000 winners if I could get them.
I don't know if we're getting them today.
Yeah, that's what I'm not going to try to push it today, but hopefully get some nice trending day coming up here. I mean, it seems like they want to go retest the highs from that bullish candle from pre-market, but anything can happen here.
Yeah.
Are you still in that trade, or you stopped
I
that
am.
one? Oh,
No,
yeah.
I'm just sitting in it.
Maybe they're going to pull it back to like 50% of that bullish green candle here. It looks like they almost got it there before they end up holding it up. There we go. They're at the 50% now. Trying to not pull the trigger right now. I'm like, buy it. No, buy it. It's like, I do want to buy it, but getting a bit of a strong pullback here. Tim said, correct me if I'm wrong. Trading the VWAP and deviation bands, if the price is above the VWAP, we only take longs up to the next deviation band?
Yep. In a ranging day. That's absolutely correct.
So you're talking about from deviation 1 to deviation 2?
No, from VWAP. From the VWAP.
From the VWAP to the
to the first deviation band. If it breaks through that, you can follow it halfway up to the second, see how it reacts at that level, and then it's all discretion.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're starting to get buy orders. Buy orders in ES here.
Oh, I see that. Some loading up below it here at 32 on, or for NQ anyways, 24,632, 24,625. Wow, what a pullback there. Erasing that whole candle. Jeez. Wonder if this 5-minute bullish fair value gap is going to hold. Now, if we get an inversion of that 5-minute gap, that would definitely spell not good for the bulls. We've been holding it pretty nicely previously. This could be a shake them out kind of move here on this pullback.
Yeah.
Lots of buyers looks like lots of buyers putting orders on below, right? 24,600 now.
This is that.
Nice bounce there, eh? That was that shakeout that we were talking about, possibly.
See if I can make a couple of bucks on this trade and then probably call it a day, because this is just not worth it to me.
Yeah. I did just enter in along there on that once that candle sort of started bouncing here.
You on NQ still?
Yes. Come on, get up to those 50s here. There we go. I'll get it back up to the 60s. Next target. Come on, boys, let's go.
That last candle felt like a bear trap.
Right? I'm just gonna drop my stop here, break even, slightly in profit. Hopefully, oh shit. Figures. Right there.
Did it pull back on you?
Yeah. But it did, not that confident. So
Yeah, I'm still in this long.
pretty volatile here. Nice trade though for you, for patience.
I mean, for patience, yeah. Sitting at $50 in profit right now.
Nice.
But that's all I got.
There we go. There's that pop we were looking for. Up to the 60s.
Now, let's see if we get some continuation. Got orders up above us, but they're not being taken.
So Zach said he started a Discord. Did you know that?
Yeah, he it's for his Asia session strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Dave's over here banging on his old timey typewriter. It sounds like jazz. I like it. It's good stuff, Maynard.
Maynard Skinner?
Maynard T. Krebs. It was, Dobie Gillis, the guy who played Gilligan.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It was in another television show where he played a beatnik named Maynard T. Krebs. It's good stuff, Maynard. I wonder what they were referring to.
Come on, NQ. What are you doing here? What are you doing to us right here? Playing around. Holding this bullish fair value gap, though, so far. Book is looking pretty empty, except for those orders up at 24,700 and 24,688-ish. Actually, it looks like 24,690.
Good Lord, man.
Oh, geez. Zarb's Liquidity Lab. I like it.
That's what it is. Yeah.
Nice. I like it. Boom, we're in. Verify here. Oh, his Discord's all professional. He's got a verification thing.
Yeah.
Oh, you just got to click. That's so like, I don't know. He obviously has somebody because Dino. I don't know if it's like a bot or something, but man, I got to learn some more stuff about that. Getting some bots to like help run stuff.
Yeah, that would be lovely. Just get a bot to do all my trading for me so I don't have to sit here.
Good job, Angia. Hey, Vigo's back. How's the gym? What's up, y'all? Are we winning or losing? I'm up 321 in one account and I'm down 48.60 in another. So winning, sort of.
You got a winner, I got a loser.
Again, we're back into that 5-minute bullish fair value gap at the 600s here. Tapped into it, lined it up with VWAP. 50 seconds left on this candle. We did have a bullish fair value gap above too. Looks like they're trying to invert it. I really want to try to take a long out of this fair value gap, but not after a candle like that. I need to see something else first.
Buy on strength, not on weakness.
Exactly. I mean, we are creating a wick at the bottom, but, you know, what does that really mean? Could be a temporary little bounce. Okay. Oh, look at that, though. Popped up to the 9 EMA.
So if this candle closes green, we created another higher low. Higher high, higher low.
Mm-hmm. I've just been lurking. I missed my best case long, so I've just been watching price action. Gonna head out, catch y'all tomorrow. Okay, Darren. Hey,
Have fun.
smart. Sounds like smart decisions coming from you. So good job. Sharpie above 610. My possible buy area TP 5630. Vigo, hey, you still remember me? I was thinking, am I seeing the same guy? LOL. So Angia, what's a GBU stand for in your name there? Because I have a Indonesian friend, and his dad is always types GBU. I don't know if it's something to do with Indonesian religion, but it's just curious that it's not saying it's the same thing, but Great Britain Union. Oh, gotcha. Nice. Yeah, my good friend's dad always writes something about GBU, and I'm like, I never really understood what it was. Unless, I don't know, is Indonesia in the Great Britain Union? I don't think so, right? You're here mostly to confuse everyone? Okay, Vigo.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I don't
That's
think we need
exactly
help
what
with that.
Yeah, we don't. You
I
might
spend
get the
90% of
opposite
my-
effect.
Spend 90% of my time confused.
Too many ant bites laying on the beach under a palm tree. Oh, God bless you. Yes, you're right. Good call. Good call. Oh,
Bit
God
by
bless you. Yeah, so that is exactly what he's probably saying, because he is quite religious. Thanks, Angia. God bless you also. Sorry, Angia, where did you say you were from again? I can't recall. Got a memory of a goldfish from those years of kickboxing. That's my excuse.
You've been hitting the head about 40 too many times.
At least 40 too many times. She's Spanish. 100%. Yeah, I thought you were from Hong Kong. Lies. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought that Angie is a guy. could be wrong about that too, though. But I never asked. But just by some of the comments before, she's okay. You're a girl. Okay, my bad. Because a couple of times I think you said
because of your comments, we all know now that you got a mouth like a trucker.
34-year-old girl. Oh, thank you. I don't know if that comment's towards me or towards Vigo. She's actually a conquistador. All right, we're finally pushing down below that bullish fair value gap here and the VWAP. What's going to happen here, guys?
Who knows?
Hey, Ralph. Ralph just waking up here.
That was a little nugget.
So, Angia, that means that you're Chinese, I'm assuming, since you're from Hong Kong. Vigo said you still going to hero long the VWAP, Angie? I have a long order at 24,450.
So just because she lives in Hong Kong doesn't mean that she's Chinese.
Oh, she just said
I was
yes.
born in New York. I'm not Puerto Rican.
That's true. You gonna use that hammock right now?
As soon as I grab this coffee.
Ooh, nice. Is New York part of Puerto Rico? Vigo said. I've yet to go to Hong Kong. I've only been to Shanghai and Beijing and a smaller city called Hangzhou. Checked out the Great Wall of China. When I was in Beijing, man, the smog was really bad. That was back in 2017 or so. You're massively confused right now, Vigo? Nothing special in Hong Kong, honestly. Gotcha. What's did you see any Mexigolians? Mexigolians paid for the wall? Are you talking about the Mongolians? I know it's kind of divides Mongolia from China, right? The Great Wall? Mexigolians. Yeah, there's only about, what do we have? Oh, we have 11 people in the channel right now. It's just like Angia and Vigo and me just blabbing away, trying to be patient through this price action. Are you out of that trade, Nick?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I figured. Not the type of guy to hold on to that for that kind of a pullback.
No, thank you.
If you look up Chinese Trump, you'll know what I'm on about. Oh, I like Chinese Trump. I see him on on X, or not X. Is it Instagram or TikTok or something? He's super funny. If you haven't seen that, Nick, look up the Chinese Trump. You get a good kick out of that. He's a guy that just walks around. He like sort of looks like Trump, but obviously he's Chinese, and he has like the full accent and everything, and he talks to everybody. It's pretty funny. I hope more and more people know about your channel, brother. Seriously, you guys are nice and also a good trader. Hey, appreciate that. Thanks. I owe everything I know to Nick here.
You don't know much then, do you? But thank you. I do appreciate that.
No, it's definitely a pleasure to trade with Nick and you guys in the chat too. You guys are often helpful also, so I appreciate that too. It's always good to have extra eyes on the market. So we're kind of in a channel here. I'm starting to realize. I just looking down. Let's see if they're gonna like hold this lower. Or are they just going to do sort of a manipulation here and then head back to the highs?
I don't know. Right now,
I'm just staying unbiased at the moment. Tim's short at 556, 2 contracts, MNQ.
All
Nice trade there. Is that at a first deviation, or is that at a... Nick, typically how many points is it for a deviation band? If you were like on NQ.
It depends on the volume.
Oh, okay.
Depends on the volume and the volatility.
So are these the lower bands and upper bands? Is that what you have activated to show the bands?
Let me look at your chart here.
It's just the anchored VWAP, and then I went to
lower band, upper band.
But then how come it's not showing it for me? Oh, I got it turned off. Band multiplier times 1.
Yep.
Number 1 is 1 and 2 and 3.
Yep.
Okay, let's try this for a bit. I'm not gonna leave 3 on. I'll do 2 only. Oh, whatever. Just for check this out.
Shits and giggles.
Oh, it's so cool, the design. Look at that. Choo, choo, choo. Just I got a little too much stuff on my chart, so maybe you'll add one more at 450 and see how it goes. Are you you're not in a trade right now, Andrea, are you? Because 450 is down at a bit lower here. So you're waiting for a pullback to 24,450? Or am I looking at the wrong contract here? You're in 1 micro long? And you're on MNQ? MNQM? Oh, you got in long already. Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Minis are for the big dogs. You need to have a nice buffer. I've been trading minis in my 150K account, this guy here. But that's because, you know, it's a 150K account and I'm up, you know, 5,600. So interestingly enough, on this Top Step X is they have, I guess they have a static drawdown, because I'm looking at my max loss limit and it says 150,000. So I have like 5,600 potential drawdown. Did you say yes?
Did you hit the buffer?
Well, I don't know. Is there a buffer on the combines?
Oh, it's combine?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Because it has my total profit as my drawdown. So it's like max loss limit says 150,000. So
yeah, looks like you got yourself a static drawdown.
Yeah, how the heck did I get that?
Bro.
I didn't know it was static drawdown. Top step dashboard. Let me see here. Yeah, one rule, max loss limit. Do not let your account hit or go below 150,000. I did not know that. Nate, NQ, end a day? Yeah, I don't know. It says 150,000. So one question is, anybody trades, because I don't really trade Top Step. Once it comes to the end of the month and it renews, do they wipe the account? Or do you just pay it and you get to keep trading it?
I have no idea.
Knows. Maybe I'll ask AI here. Because if I don't have to rush it, I would really like to pass this account, even if I got to pay another renewal fee on it. Oh, you just keep trading if it's not blown? Okay. Once you pass the drawdown, the account becomes static. Oh, interesting. So I guess I passed the max drawdown of 4,000. Thanks, Pernell. Or is it 4,500? Maybe is a drawdown, or the loss limit, because that would be about halfway. You got out break even. Nice trade there, Angia. Good conservatives trade. You're waiting for NG 480 H4 to be swiped and close above, aiming huge move to 24,795. But if it stays below 480, next is 291. Gotcha. So your kind of line in the sand is if they can hold 480, right? Iran's foreign minister spokesperson in recent days, friendly countries sent messages indicating U.S. requested talks to end the war. Iran did not respond. What is going on here, right? Can we get like one real news thing? You know, like what is it? Are they talking or are they not?
I guess they're not.
Yeah.
That's
I will
just
be
a
back
guess.
in 1 minute here. Sorry, guys. Maybe two.
Well, ES has made a hell of a turnaround and just dumped. Went down below the VWAP. Coming down towards the first deviation band. Taking a little micro scalp on a Lucid account here on ES. Looks like we've got more cells on ES now. A bunch of orders underneath us at 66.55. Price is dropping. Still seeing more more orders underneath us now. Added to this short, I am up 400 so far on 2 accounts.
Sorry about that.
Yeah,
What was that? What were you just saying there?
I'm in a ES short.
Nice. Okay.
I thought it was going to be a very fast trade, but the orders coming on the book underneath it induced me into staying into it for a little bit longer. I locked in $150 in profit, and now I'm just sitting on it waiting.
Nice. Well, I hope it keeps going for you here.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Always pulling for you. We're heading down to that third deviation band, it looks like, too.
Which is, as soon as you get past that second deviation band, it's price discovery levels.
Gotcha.
Locking in 250.
Price discovery.
Lock in 400. In 500.
Trump is about to talk in 5 minutes, said Angia. Thanks for the heads up.
Appreciate that. Locking in 600.
Vigo said, I can smell the longs entering the market. Go ahead.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Vigo said, I can smell the longs entering the market. Big absorption, 497.99. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Oh, I'm glad I did not go. I'm glad I didn't go long there. My nose is wrong sometimes, and that's okay. Right?
Oh, yeah. All right. So
You locked it in?
managed to take 835 per contract or per account on that one.
835?
Yep.
Wow.
Wait. Yep, 835.
In how many accounts?
Just 2.
Nice. Nice win. $1,600.
I will take it.
1670. How big? How many contracts were you in there?
8 micros.
Nice. Wow. Yeah, it's quite the move there.
Wow, looks like it's still going down too.
Yeah.
Jeez.
1, 2, 3, right to the third deviation right there at 24,400.
Which indicator are you using?
Just anchored VWAP with the deviation bands.
Which anchored VWAP indicator are you using? The ASFX one?
No, just like the standard trading view anchored VWAP. So I just anchor it at 630, and then if you double click that, you can add the deviation bands to it.
What's the publisher of it?
It's like the one that's built in on TradingView. So if you go to the left action bar under forecasting tools, and then below that is volume based, and there's anchored VWAP about halfway down that list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yeah, the fifth icon down on the left action toolbar, and then from there it's kind of in the middle of the anchored VWAP volume based.
That one looks a little bit different than mine. That's why I wanted to pull it up and see how it.
Gotcha. Yeah, so I'm on NQ, but I show my. We're at like, I guess this would be Thursday's VWAP right now, and it's kind of like the third deviation's bending down real hard right now. Looks like they want to sweep into these lows here at 24,348. So is it just gives us slightly different? I mean, maybe the measurement of the deviations is a little bit different too, right?
Yeah. Why isn't this showing up under my indicators now? Weird. We're just gonna watch this market collapse.
Seems that way. Excuse me.
Oh, let's see what the catalyst is here. Oh, look at that. Oil's going back up. That's not a shocker. Well, hey, it got all the way down to 85.60 a barrel.
Good buying opportunity, seems like.
11.
Well, I did take a long there on. Oh shoot, wrong chart wasn't open. Locked in 86 there. Oh geez, look at that bounce. Woo. So I'm back up $20 now on that account. So green and green so far today. Back up to that second deviation band.
Oh, excuse me. So NQ is below the New York VWAP, the low of day VWAP, and the high of day VWAP.
Yeah. Definitely bearish.
So is ES. So is YM.
Yeah, if I'm ever taking any longs down here, it would be definitely a scalp. I mean, it could do a reversal, but I wouldn't be trying to hold it for that anyways. We're back below below where I exited that trade. Occasionally hear your book map going off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not a big deal or anything. It's just very faint in the background, kind of like it almost sounds like stop filled, but it's like saying something else.
It's just telling me what orders are being filled.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. Have you ever you use Financial Juice or not really?
I do occasionally.
Have you ever turned on like the ticker sound, the tick strike?
No, I haven't.
Oh, it's super annoying. It's like every time the price is like moving, it's like tick 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 tick.
That would drive me just absolutely batty.
Yeah, I tried it once and I was like, no, turn this thing off. This is so annoying. I mean, if you're not paying attention and you need to like, have some sort of noise giving you an idea of when the price is moving, it's one thing, but
yeah, no. I'm sitting here looking at a chart. I don't need the an audio tick chart telling me what's going on. I don't particularly like tick charts either, so.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get down on this.
So are we going to get a recovery here now, bounce, or are we just going to sort of bounce a little bit and then make another leg lower?
I think
we do have a lot of room to the downside. What's that?
we're going to go lower.
Yeah, I think I kind of agree with that.
Really have any reason to believe that we're going to be pushing up to previous day high or anything. So I am in an 8 micro short on ES. Average price is 66.4275.
Man, I wonder how many people lost accounts on that candle, hey? That's one of the craziest 5-minute candles I've seen in a while. 847 points. Sheesh, man.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's one of those ones where the reverse button might have worked out for you if you're in a short.
Yeah.
It goes against you, hit reverse, it's like, boom, $5,000 in profit.
Not a huge fan of that reverse button.
No.
Oh, looks like this short's not going to work out for me.
Oh, yeah. It just took over that second deviation band.
We got a lot of orders down below us.
Might be a short-lived bounce.
Is this fake liquidity, though? That's... Oh, yeah. It's looking a little algo's manipulating the market a little bit.
On NQ, we did get some orders showing up above at like 440 and 450 just recently.
I want to see if these orders start disappearing as price comes down. Got 1,000 orders at 66.38. That's if price even comes down.
I'm going to open up that live Trump participates in the Memphis safe task and see if he's blabbing right now or not. Looks like they're waiting for him to show up or something.
He might have got stuck on an escalator or something.
With Bart Simpson?
Now, I remember when he said that the Democrats sabotaged the escalator on him when he was going to President of the U.S. defeated by a set of stairs. Escalators can never be broken. They can only become stairs.
True, that's true.
Sorry, escalator
Never really
not
thought
working.
about it like that. Can't go down because well, we're pulling up into this bearish fair value gap here, along with the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA.
How are they lined up?
They are sloped down and they're pretty spread apart here, so could definitely see some resistance at that 9 EMA. So kind of 9 EMA is getting pretty close to, looks like, the first deviation band.
Well, that's going to be an issue. All right, I got another short in here, 8 micros.
Yeah, I took a short there also. Stop up above 83.
All right, took $75 on that one.
Nice.
Might be time to switch from coffee to beer.
Angie is long at 410. Nice job.
On NQ?
Yeah. I'm getting faded here. I'm actually down 90, 80, $88 here on this trade. 2 micros short, but it's been basically bounced ever since I entered, so not very good. I got my stop just above the 9 EMA and also above this bearish fair value gap sort of line in the sand. If we were to get down to 400 level, I'd probably be trying to take profits here. So, but
yeah,
looks
looking
like
at
it's going the other way.
Longs aren't a bad idea. Bit of a wick up on NQ on this candle.
Mm-hmm. This trade is in a top 1 futures eval, the one that I won off a stream there, or off of a giveaway anyways. It wasn't a stream, it was a Discord giveaway. Pretty surprised at actually how many free evals I've won. Pretty lucky sometimes on those.
Never won an eval.
Yeah, unfortunately, this trade doesn't look very good. Seems like everything's orders are all above here, so. But anything can happen here, so.
That is true.
If I get below my entry price, I'll probably drag my stop in there and potentially get out of this guy.
I had to take a phone call really quick here. I'll be back.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, it's not looking very good for me right now, that's for sure. Probably should just cut this. A little bit of a pullback here. I'm probably going to be pretty aggressive here with this stop if I can get back to break even here. Just not really liking how it's looking. We might pull back farther, but might also bounce here at some point. So a couple more points. There we go. A little more. Go. Go, go, go. I'm dropping I just got out there, guys. Break even on that trade there. Roughly made $1. Covered my costs and commissions there. And then now we can just root for Angie as long 410 up like 20 something points. Let's see if we can take those 460s out and head up to value area high. Man, too much coffee. I'll be back in about 30 seconds here. Sheesh.
Sorry about that. My son was calling me. And Dave is gone. All right. How far down is NQ going to go? Pretty far.
Don't worry, she got out. Nice. How do you know? You guys got like a little private chat going on?
Don't get nosy there, Dave.
Well, I'm just wondering because she didn't say anything in the chat, so.
What two adults do in the privacy of their own private chat is
right.
It's up to them. You don't need to be nosy about it. You're not.
Sorry. I take it back. You're right, Nick.
Peace.
I'm just
Always
the board streamer that's flat right now, looking for something to talk about. Oh, Discord, nice. Discord's good. Discord is good. No worries, noses are meant for usage.
Easy there, guys.
So are you sniffing out a long or a short here, Vigo? Since we're talking about noses.
I'm looking at NQ shorts right now.
Yeah, I took a break even on that last short. I cut it when I got back to break even, basically, just because, like we were saying earlier, just I saw all those orders above, nothing really below. I'm like, ugh, my spidey senses are tingling. Although could have made a little money on that trade. So oh well.
There'll be another one.
Yeah. I want to sniff long, but at the same time, I feel like once sellers kick in, shit drops harder than I can exit them. Yeah. Dropping like a bad transmission. Who said that? Somebody in the chat said that a long time ago. It was pretty funny.
All right, I'm in my NQ short.
There you go. Let's go NQ. You got a little house money to play with anyways, don't you?
Oh, this is on my cash account.
Oh, okay. Playing with that second deviation band there on 24,398.
Close that for $58. It started pulling back up on me, so I didn't want to stay in it.
Fair enough.
Oh, all the orders above on NQ just disappeared too, and I pulled out of it.
Oh, figures.
Just my luck.
Yeah, we got a bunch of orders down at 381 and 370.
Another short. Oh, what are you doing? Don't fuck with me now. Buyer's trying to take control here.
Yeah. Sharpie said 381 is previous 1 hour close, and there'll be some interaction, maybe long up to 480. We got right down to that 381 on that candle and bounced a bit there. House money to play with, bro. Took a mortgage to trade today. Vigo's our new resident comedian, guys.
Love it.
Expect
Keep it up, Vigo.
Fun comments. Make us a little less boring in the chat, in the stream here. Well, we're trading a lot longer than normal today, too.
Yeah.
Normally we're out of here around 8:30. And here it is 9:25, 9:23. Or my time anyways. 11:30.
It's 12:30 New York time right now.
Yeah. There you go. That short's working out for you.
Yep. Don't even think about it.
Forget about it. That was Thursday's VWAP.
Was it?
Yeah, bounced off Thursday's.
Did it bounce off of?
Yeah. 24,373. And then we got the overnight down at 330, and then Friday's VWAP 292. So we have lots of VWAPs below.
Pull down. Need a lot. But I'll take it if you want to give it to me.
There you go. Heading back to that VWAP. There you go. Boom. VWAP taken.
And then $200 in profit.
Nice.
Just let this go for a little bit.
Oof. That was a nasty sweep lower, eh? Just when the buyers thought that they had that VWAP held. Yeah. Now is it going to be resistance here? 71.
I don't know. There's a lot of sell orders coming on the book map.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's gonna, bounce back up there and then find some selling pressure again at 71 area.
Yeah, it's looking like it.
Vigo says, "I got you, homies. Today breaks all the rules." Are you talking about our trading too long today?
Yeah, pretty much.
We're breaking rules today, boys.
Mm-hmm. All right, come on, keep coming down. Stop fooling with that that VWAP and just move down. Thank you.
Nice.
Tempted to add to this on a pullback, but at this time of day, it seems like a bad idea.
Yeah. Conservative might be the better choice.
Yeah. Locked in a couple $100. I'm up like 500 now, so.
Nice. Mini?
6 micros.
6 micros. Nice. Man, I wish I didn't cut that short.
Yeah, with Trump speaking and all of the hooey that goes along with it, I don't want to be.
Yeah, he's not up there just
menus.
yet, but I got it live, so I'll let you know if he does saunter up there. All I see is this big backdrop says, "Make America safe again."
America safe again. Woo!
That's a little whip there.
A little wick. More sell orders. Jesus. Can you hear my book map behind me just going on with all the cells?
I can't know. But they're definitely selling it.
Sell 400 was what just hit. Sell 40, sell 12.
Nice short there. And we're now below the overnight VWAP. 328 here, retesting it right now. Where is the 50% of this bullish candle here? So we're basically at the 50% mark of this that bullish candle from pre-market. Now we can hear it. Sell 24. Trade. sell 54. Very faintly in the background.
If it gets irritating, let me know.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's a problem. Whatever makes it good for you is more important. We're not going to be bothered by it. I haven't changed the music in a while though. Could do that.
Sell 24. Trade. Instant. Buy 10. Trade. Instant. Sell 24. Sell 37. Trade.
No, that's good. It sounds like you're locked in. That's what Vigo said. Yeah.
Trade. 24. Trade.
Pushing back up to that Thursday VWAP there.
Buy 10. Trade. Instant. Buy 20. Trade. Instant. Sell 10. Trade. Instant. Sell 25. Trade. Instant. Sell 22. Trade. Instant. Buy 12. Trade. Instant. Buy 61.
Jesus, there's a lot of trading going on right now.
Yeah. I entered short there. Don't keep bouncing here.
I have a feeling this is going to push down a little bit further.
Get ready to protect this position here. If we get a little bit lower.
You in short?
Yes. Was up 50, 40 something. Now I'm down 27, 12. I thought about locking it in there, but let's see us get back down to that overnight VWAP would be nice.
Just had an 80 order sell on. And the price is still going up.
Mm-hmm. Pretty strong closure on that candle, unfortunately. This looks a little dangerous.
Sell 30. Trade. Instant. Sell 10. Trade. Instant. 50. Trade. Instant. 558. Red.
Okay, Andrea, take care. All right, I'm calling it a day now. 2 for 2 green. Don't want to give it back. See you tomorrow. All right.
Good,
Sounds
good
Smart
choice.
trade.
Out there, some smart trading. Got 2 green ones. Hang up your spurs for the day.
Cup of greenies. Lock it in.
I like greenies. Greenies are good. He's got a 55 order buy that went through.
Yeah, I see that. Got a couple recent buy orders going through. Let's hope that these sellers are just absorbing there. Another one just popped up. 61 contracts, 392.
Sell 60. Red. Into blue. Buy 70. Buy 80. Red. Into blue. Buy 10. Red. Into blue. Buy 89. Red.
Somebody just
Sell 10.
got their take profits filled.
Sell 55. Red. Into blue. Sell 27. Red. Into blue. Sell 10. Red. Into blue. Sell 10. Red. Into blue. Buy 10.
All right, I'm in another short.
I'm still in that short.
Still in that short. All right.
I hope you're
So
right.
hopefully this will work out well for both of us.
Yes. Heading back down to my entry now, almost. I'm in at 60. We got that Thursday VWAP here being a pain in the ass right now.
Put my stop
Adam Daz,
just
what's up?
above break, just
You're
above or just below break even.
Nice. Good morning, Adam Daz.
$70 order sell.
Trump's coming out.
All right, Trump's coming out. I just closed it.
I have to probably close mine too here.
Made a grand. $25 on that one. I'll be back.
Okay. Hopefully when he just talks, it just decides to go down. I got to get out and deal with the chickens and stuff soon. Trump is trumping now. Yeah, he's gonna blow his trumpet pretty soon here.
That was funny.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks, Adam. But yeah, I don't know. This market is too much for me. I've been sitting here for hours taking one trade since the fiesta earlier, and I got out too early. Probably call it a day here too. Hey, smart move. Smart move. I mean, we seem like we're in a bit of a consolidation zone. Trying to be patient here and see if we can't get a little bit of pullback towards those lows. We do have the point of control down at 24,273. I got my TP at 332. He's officially talking right now. Talking about the best sound system. Talking about sound system and the price is going up. What the heck? Vigo needs another 100 for your eval and don't want to take a bad trade and lose 4 times more than I normally would. Yeah, for sure.
Set your stops.
Come on, Trump, say something to push market down for us temporarily.
Selling. Trade. Institute. 525. Trade. Institute. 535. Trade. Institute. 550. Trade. Institute. 554. Trade. Institute. Self-coding. Trade. Institute. 550. Trade. Institute. Sell 60. Trade. Institute. Sell 40. Trade. Institute. Sell 20. Trade. Institute. Sell 10. Trade. Institute. Sell 12. Trade. Institute. Sell 10. Trade. Institute. Sell 14. Trade. Institute. 510. Trade. Trade. Institute. 5. Trade. Institute. 525. Trade. Institute. 511. Trade. Trade. Sell 54. Trade. Institute. 525. Trade.
Yeah, watching this is it's about as fun as dental work.
Yeah, and you know how much we love dental work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks, Vigo. Have a good day. See you later.
See you tomorrow. I was just gonna go back to the high a day. What's happening here?
Almost hit my stop there. We do have a bearish fair value gap at 420, but
That means a whole hell of a lot right now.
no, I don't think so.
There's just a 297 buy on ES, or I'm sorry, NQ.
I just need a couple points on this pullback here. Just sweep it lower a little bit here.
Sell trade instantly, sell when we buy, trade instantly, sell trade instantly, sell well.
$37 seconds left on this 5-minute here.
Sell and trade instantly, sell well. Trade instantly, sell and
You're gonna hate me for this, but I just took an ES long.
Okay. Well, at least somebody's going to win.
Got my stop in at $45 in profit.
I say speed. Trade instantly, 100. Trade instantly, 550. Trade instantly, 511. Trade instantly, self and trade instantly, 515. Trade instantly, self well. Trade instantly, 530. Trade instantly, self 50. Trade instantly, self. Trade instantly, 510. Trade instantly.
Oh, I just needed a couple more points there. Just a couple more points.
That one stopped me out with my $25 in profit.
Nice. Well, not nice that it stopped you up, but nice that you at least got some money out of it.
Yeah.
I'm just
25 is better than, 25 green is better than 25 red. So
yeah, I'm just hoping to get out of this. A couple more points. No, don't bounce. You got it. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Shoot. Should have closed it almost there. Finding support again at that Thursday's VWAP. Uh-oh. That's not good.
There's a bunch of cells coming on. Now today is hard.
Yeah. $400's got to be the line in the sand for me now. If we get back above 400, that's no bueno. So I'm gonna probably drop my stop here at 403. Come on, NQ. There we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Gonna get it there.
Almost in profit. Come on, boys. There we go. Get there. Shit.
Come on, get it. Oh.
Go, go, go. A little more, a little more. No, don't stop. Don't stop. Go, go, go. Stopping it there. Anyways. It was a small loser in the end, so whatever. I just don't want to take the chance of... I was down like almost 300 at one point there, so it was getting close to my max loss. So,
Oh, that's not healthy.
yeah, I would have... If it would have pushed past up to like 29 or 30, it probably would have hit my max daily loss, which is just, you know, it's a safety barrier on this account, so... So I'm basically flat. I lost $24 because I was up $20 before this trade, and now I'm down $4. So it's all good. Hey, there's left. Who's making all the money? I'm just trading one micro on my eval to see if this strategy keeps it from blowing up. Made over 350 on one micro. Was not hard for me today. I actually like the price action today. Stress-free trading. Just one teeny weeny micro. Yeah, I mean, taking away the stress out of the trades is smart, right? It makes it a lot easier to manage the trades.
Oh yeah. Especially if you're trading one micro. Open up your stop loss and let it just go with your plan.
Totally. What are you thinking? Are we finishing up here now?
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm not taking any more trades for today.
After almost losing 300 on that trade, I'm happy to be done too.
Yeah,
Since I narrowly avoided
green for the day, so
yeah,
I'm gonna leave it there.
Yeah, I'm up 320 in this combine.
Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. Well, on that note, I suppose I will see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Sounds good to me.
Lafta's back. Bigo's still here. Oh no,
Bigo
he said
took
no.
off. Yeah.
All right. Well, everybody, have a lovely evening. And Dave, I'll
Thanks,
see
Nick.
you in the morning.
Yeah.
Don't play
sounds
any
good.
hockey tonight, so that way you can wake up on time.
Yeah, I got a game Thursday, so Friday is going to be rough.
Fair enough. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, thanks, Nick. All right. Well, have un buena dias. right? Have a great day. Gonna sign off here, guys. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. As usual, guys, good to see you. Vigo, Angia, Tim, Korth, Darren, Lilish, Sharpie, Kaylin, Blank Johnson, Lafta, Adam Daz, Nate, NQ, and Pernell Clark. Hey, thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys tuning in as per usual. You guys are the reason that we're on here. So thanks so much. Looks like I hit about 722 subscribers. Hey, not bad, not bad. Trying to get to 1,000 here. Hopefully that'll be just around the corner. So again, though, guys, appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Hopefully you're green. And if not, keep it tight. Okay. Love you guys. See you later. Peace out. Have a good one. We'll be live tomorrow morning for Market Open. Later.